Hi, this is Oliver from FiveRuns. In this short screencast, I will introduce FiveRuns Manage, a service to monitor your production Rails applications and a supporting stack that includes operating systems, web servers, and databases. Before I jump into the product demo, here's a quick architecture overview. FiveRuns Manage is delivered as a service, so you can get quickly started. After signing up, you just install the Manage client on the service you want to monitor, add a Rails plugin to your application, and then you're ready to monitor the performance and availability of your full application stack. The client reports back to the managed service every 5 minutes. All your application metrics are now centrally available through a web browser. FiveRuns Manage instruments your production Rails applications with minimal overhead and offers you detailed Rails metrics either for a specific Rails instance or even across a cluster of Rails instances. Here, you can see the Rails application health dashboard. Under real production load, you can quickly learn about the overall health of your Rails app. The sparklines on the left show global metrics. By clicking on a specific metric, say average processing time of all actions, I can jump to a more detailed view. The right column shows the slowest and most frequently invoked actions. This helps you resolve performance bottlenecks and scale out your application infrastructure without having to sift through dozens production log files. Following a specific action here, I can drill deeper to learn about what makes it so slow, which models get accessed, and which partials get rendered. For this demo, I've set up a test environment with a couple of machines and Rails applications. The system map shows the monitor's subsystems in a current environment and is typically a starting point for users. As a full-stack monitoring solution, FiveRuns Manage supports custom triggers and events. A trigger will create an event when its conditions are met. Triggers can be configured across all subsystems and tailored to your environment. They will proactively alert you, so you don't have to constantly keep an eye on your environment. For example, here's a Rails trigger for a particular controller. It's set to alert an administrator whenever a user login exceeds 3 seconds in order to ensure proper application responsiveness. This trigger will apply to a Rails application cluster that might contain dozens of Mongols across many servers. FiveRuns Manage alerts you via email whenever a new event is triggered. You can see current and previous events on the events page. Here you can see an event from the just discussed login controller. What could have caused it? Also notice another event for slow database queries that occurred at the same time. They are probably related. Let's look further. I recall the database server had some issues with daily backup jobs. The I/O count should tell us more. Yes, indeed it looks like the backup job triggered the database slowdown, which impacted the user experience. This concludes my brief introduction. Thank you for your interest in FiveRuns Manage. Please visit us at fiveruns.com, sign up for a free 30-day trial, and start monitoring your production Rails applications.